Hi Colorado, this is Clete Crocker with Appliance Factory Mattress Kingdom. Hey, I've got another great deal for you today. I just want to remind you guys that we have MCI refrigerators, what we call minor case imperfection refrigerators. So what is that? Here's one right here. You can't tell the difference between this one and one that comes right out of the box. You know why? Because this comes to us out of the box as well. Minor case imperfection refrigeration is refrigeration that we buy right from the factory. They recognize that they made some kind of blemish or error on the back or side. This particular one has some blemishes on the very back side. So you get cents on the dollar for these things rather than paying full price. So just to give you an example, this model right here is actually selling for $13.97. But if we get the boxed unit, it's $19.99. So the box is like what we have at Home Depot and Lowe's and other places. They have that. But what we have is we have the boxed unit, or we have the boxed imperfection unit, but again, the front is in great condition. It's just a fabulous deal. You can get really nice refrigeration. This particular one has two refrigeration doors. It has the freezer door in the middle, and it has the freezer on the bottom. It's a really cool refrigerator. The great thing is, this is just one out of hundreds of these things that we have. Not just this model, not just this color. We have this all over the store. It's gonna save you hundreds, if not $1,000 off of the price of the regular refrigeration at the competition.